You use UPI daily. Tea stalls, friends, shopping, even temples. But here's the twist. UPI is not just about payments. It hides secret features, money-saving hacks, and safety tricks most people have no idea about. Some of these can even work without internet. Stay till the end, because once you know these, you'll never look at UPI the same again. 1. UPI is a network, not just an app. Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm. These are just doors. Behind them is the same UPI switch by NPCI. That's why you can pay anyone, no matter which app they use. Think of it like WhatsApp. You send a message, they get it instantly, even if you use different phones. 2. Works without internet. Crazy but true. You can send money even with zero data. Just dial *99# on your phone. A hidden UPI menu opens where you can check balance, send or request money. Perfect for emergencies or remote areas. 3. Bigger than cards. UPI now processes more transactions than all debit and credit cards combined. It's so big that Singapore, UAE, and France are bringing it in too. Soon, you may not even need a Forex card abroad, just your UPI ID. 4. Multiple IDs for safety. You can create separate UPI IDs for the same account. One for shopping, one for family, one private. If one ID gets leaked, your main account is still safe. 5. AutoPay equals zero bill stress. Netflix, Spotify, milk delivery, gym fees. Set them on AutoPay. Money is deducted automatically. And unlike cards, you can pause or cancel anytime in just one tap. 6. IPO applications. Applying for IPOs used to be slow. Now just use your UPI ID. Funds are blocked instantly, refunds are faster, and no paperwork. That's why most smart investors use UPI today. 7. Request money. Awkward to ask a friend for money back? Just send a UPI request. They see a notification, tap pay, done. No WhatsApp reminders, no uncomfortable talks. 8. Lost phone? Block fast. Lost your phone? Don't panic. Call your bank or visit NPCI's official site. You can block your UPI instantly. It's much faster than waiting for SIM blocking, a lifesaver in emergencies. 9. UPI Lite equals safer small payments. For chai, snacks, metro rides, enable UPI Lite. It keeps up to 2,000 rupees in a mini wallet inside your app. No OTP, super fast, and safer because it doesn't expose your main account. 10. Scan to donate. Donating to temples or NGOs? UPI lets you scan and pay directly. Plus, you get an instant digital receipt. Unlike cash, it's transparent. And in some cases, even tax-deductible. So next time you scan that QR, remember, you're using one of the most powerful financial systems in the world. It's not just about payments. It's about control, safety, and convenience. Which UPI trick you didn't know before? Tell me in the comments. And if you think every Indian should know this, share it with at least one friend today. Don't forget to like and subscribe